Koinly app. The pros, the cons. If you've ever tried to calculate crypto taxes, you know it can feel like a nightmare. Koinly promises to make it simple, automatically tracking your crypto trades and generating accurate tax reports. But does it really work as well as it claims? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros: automation. Koinly connects with over 700 exchanges, wallets and blockchains. Once linked, it automatically pulls all your transaction history, calculates gains, and even identifies your cost basis. That alone saves hours of manual tracking. The second big pro is accuracy. It uses country-specific tax rules for dozens of regions, including the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. That means you get reports tailored to your local tax laws, ready to file or share with your accountant. Another plus is the interface. Koinly is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, making complex data easy to understand. You can see performance summaries, unrealized gains, and taxable events in real time. Now for the cons. The free version only goes so far. You'll need a paid plan to access full tax reports. Also, while automation works well, some users report sensing delays or errors with smaller crypto exchanges. The surprising truth? Koinly doesn't just save time, it can save you from costly tax mistakes. But like any software, it's only as accurate as the data it receives. In short, the pros: automation, accuracy, and global support make Koinly one of the most trusted tools for crypto investors. If you trade digital assets, this app might just make tax season stress-free.